If you have a group of people that you constantly chat with, then what you can do is you can create out spaces in Google Chat. And the creation of Google Chat Spaces is accessible directly from your Gmail as well. So over here, as long as the chat is enabled, you can go around onto the Spaces area and click on New Space. And you can click on Create a Space right here. Then you can give a name to the space. For example, YouTube Gmail right here. Once you do that, you can go around and add in different people that you want to add in the spaces, and then click on Create. Once you do that, the space will be created over here, as you can see, and you can go around and, let's say, for example, start chatting with them. And this is how you can directly create out spaces right here. And that is how you can create chat spaces inside of Gmail directly. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.